fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Whoa, you say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me. The only thing that matters now is everything you think of me. In you I find my worth.
Happy anniversary, Dada! 26 na! Taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. Wow. You have everything. We are in Kiltek Manor Resort Hotel. Wow. Happy anniversary, Daddy! Wow! Dalawa lang ko. Walang mga bata. May cabinet sila. My bathroom, my safe, my dryer. Tignan natin ang bathroom. Wow! Nice! Ganda ng bathroom. May bathtub. Toilet. My towel. Shampoo, lotion. Of deliverance from my enemies and all my fears. This is our bed tonight. Wala si J-Lord at Kuya. Ba, si Daddy nakakelte ka. Ay. So ang view. Yan, nandito dito sa aming hotel. Nice.
We're having a dinner here. Wow, that's nice. Starter. Dami. Yan. And then salads. Here. So many salads. This is the main. Wow. Fish. Vegetable. Fish. Salmon. So many food. Some soup. My ice cream pa. Oh, my bike. Wow, happy anniversary. 26 na.
Asawa. Tadi mo na.
Birthday din ni Annie.
Pitawan to. 30 years na eh. 26 pa na.
Another soup. Some bread. Ooh, what's that? Hello.
Happy anniversary. And
Thank you. Happy birthday, Annie. Ooh, sweet naman. Yes. Oh.
Stronger than the power of the grave, constant in the trial and the
Okay, syempre, may nag-reveal ka kagabi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Natutulog ka naman kasi. Kaya
Tulog sa pasitan, kaya tuloy. Hindi sa ganito yung istorya. May
Okay.
sobre sa table. At saka merong night shoes. Na
Yeah.
night box na shoes. Sabi
Yeah.
sa amin, Hoy, kumpleto sila, sila. Sabi na, ma'am,
Open
bubuksan
it,
mo.
open.
Ano yan? Open it. Binila.
Sabay na sabay din yan.
Sabi ko, sigurado, per salary. Kala ko pera na. Bibilangin ko. Pag bukas-bukas ko ng sobre, eto nakita ko.
Ano yan?
ultrasound.
Ba?
Ah, ultrasound!
Sabi ko,
Wow.
kanina to? Hulaan.
Oh, kanina.
Wow.
Kanina.
Rebel!
Kanina.
Kanina to? Sabi, nagula-hulaan sila. Kala nila, puro mali ang hula. Tapos biglang sinabi,
May pet.
Yan.
Oh, Rebel. 1,
2, 3.
3. Rebel!
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Oh.
What?
Ay! Congratulations!
Wala, di pa pwede.
Okay, dito lang yon. Secret.
Pa lang. Pag nag-reveal na sila, pwede na mag-reveal.
Triple celebration! Congrats! Hello, good morning guys. Breakfast time in Celtic Manor. Juices, yogurt, fruits. Still buffet and breakfast. Wala na egg cereals. Eggs. Enjoy breakfast!
Sige.
Bus na, pancake.
Ano yun, 1,008? May 2,000.